Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to secure in-house signed documents based on geolocation. This just simply means that you can secure documents by saying what countries are your recipients allowed to sign your document from, and what countries your recipients are definitely not allowed to sign your documents from. That would be an allowed country list or a blocked country list. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. To jump into Inhouse Sign, all I need to do is click on Inhouse Sign in the menu. You can send documents using a template and you can send documents without a template. And in both cases, you can configure security configurations. I'm going to go ahead and create a document. I'm going to call this document Test Proposal YY46, just a random name. We're going to use a template called Test Proposal. I'm going to switch to the development environment because this is a demo. Switching to the recipients tab, I'm going to make myself the recipient. So now we are in the security configuration, and this right here is in-house firewall. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the password restriction, even though you can use multiple access restriction in a multi-step validation process. I'm going to go ahead and add a security or a restriction policy. And here we're going to use the allowed countries. So what I'm going to say here is that I want my documents to only be signed by recipients in Albania and recipients in Armenia. Okay? So let's just assume for a second that you are dealing with a salesperson or you're dealing with an employee or potential hire, and they claimed to be in a certain country. Maybe in this case, they claimed to be in Armenia. You can basically restrict access to these countries only. And if this user says, hey, I cannot access this document, then you know for a fact that they are probably not in the location that they claimed that they are in. So in this case here, we have limited country access. So we are basically saying that people can only sign documents from these two countries. If you wanted to say, well, they for sure cannot sign a document from a certain country, I can say, well, I don't want users from, recipients from Bangladesh to sign this document. So you can mix and match how you want this configured. So we're going to go ahead and send this document. So just so you know, I'm currently in the United States. So I should not be able to sign these documents because I am not in a blocked country, yes, but I'm also not in an allowed country. All right, so I just received this document. I'm going to go ahead and view the document. And right away, I get an error message that says an error occurred while validating access. So this just means that I failed access validations. And, and this is happening because my documents requires me to be in Armenia or Algeria. I think that was Albania. Albania and Armenia. I think those were the two countries that I selected. And I'm in neither of these countries. All right. And just like that, you've been able to ensure that your documents are signed by people in locations that you want them to be in. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.